ALS Icebucket challenge. Big Snoop Birdie Bird, the pigeon guy, and we're at Washington Square Park. I got my challenge from Katya Sherman from Major Model. I'm gonna take this guy right here, go into the fountain, and pour it all over my body. It's pretty gross. And it should be pretty awesome. Alright, ready?
Go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
I'm gonna challenge Donya Khalifa, and I'm gonna challenge Nadia at Major, as well as Miss Kate Stoltz to the Ice Bucket Challenge. You have 24 hours to complete this or donate to ALS Fund of your choice. Thanks.